Welcome back to my channel ST Real Tech, your go-to channel for Unity tips, tricks and all the skills that will make you to a senior developer level. Today I am showing you how to implement an in-app sharing system in your game. So your players can share links internally like game levels, achievements or custom content or screenshots that will take during gameplay with friends, all without leaving the app. So first of all, you have to go to the Unity Asset Store and search for the share for iOS and Android. Then you have to open this and after importing, so you have to import it first. So it is loading. So you have to only create a button and one script that will do your stuff. So it is now imported. Now I have to go to my scene. Here is my scene menu. On my scene menu I have a home panel, and first of all I will create a button, labels and store. I will create a button here. I will name it share button. Now I will create here a empty game object. I will name it a share manager. I will add script share manager. Now open it. First of all, we will take a button, public button, share button. Now we will take a public string, share message. Now we will write a message, and then now we will take a public link. Sorry, we are just taking a game link, and after that we will create a share button dot on click. Here we add a listener. We will add a listener. Then we will create a share game method and we will assign it into the button. Now on destroy we will remove this listener from our share button. On click, remove listener. Now we will add a condition: if not share dot is platform supported, then return from compiler and write a message: sharing is not supported on this platform. And after that we will create a list of items. Now we will assign a share message plus link, and then we will create a share items and we will subscribe items on success. If it is success, then debug a message: share window opened successfully. And in else condition we will write a warning: failed to open share window. Okay, and it's our script is completed. Now save it and go to the Unity. Now after loading you have to check your share manager and assign the share button. Now simply you have to build on your mobile phone. Your share button work on your Android or iOS platform. So here I just show you the button like this. When you click on this button, so on, if it is a platform of Android, it will show a pop-up Thank you.